On to election news now. Women in Mizoram never had any significant representation in the politics of the state in spite of women dominating most aspects of life here. This assembly election is no different, with just 6 women candidates in the fray amongst more than 150 candidates competing for the 40 assembly seats.
If Mizo National Front candidate Lalmal Somi pulls off a victory in the Mizoram elections, she says it will be nothing short of a miracle. There hasn't been a single woman MLA in Mizoram in 20 years now. And just 6 women, including Lalmal Somi, are in the fray this time around. Malsomi was a journalist for 20 years before she took the plunge in politics 3 years ago. She's the Mizo National Front's only woman candidate.
Among Mizo, there's a discrimination, or I don't know what, but majority of the people think that politics is not for women. As I was in the media for a very long time, and luckily I'm known to everybody through TV, so there's no problem such like that.
The ruling Congress party has done no better, also fielding just one woman candidate in its list of 40.
The tradition is that here in Mizoram Congress, sitting MLA, if they are willing again to contest, then they have to become the seat. And we don't have any women. We have a women candidate last time, but unfortunately she lost. Now we have 8 vacancies. Out of 8, we have nominated one candidate, one lady candidate. Well, women folks should come up by themselves. If they come up, then we are not hesitating to appoint them.
The first and only woman to become a minister and the last woman to make it to the Mizoram Assembly was elected more than 2 decades ago. This poor representation of women, almost a paradox in a society where women voters outnumber male voters. Not just that, women constitute 55% of the government workforce and 77% in commercial establishments. The state also boasts of a high literacy rate and a favorable sex ratio for women. If people like Lalmal Somi and the other women candidates actually manage to win in these elections, they will correct, in a small way, a very peculiar situation here in Mizoram where, in spite of this being a very matriarchal society, you hardly have any representation from women in the politics of the state. In Aizawl, with camera person Sanjoy Chakravarti, Alok Pandey, NDTV.